The one thing I will say though about the Thursday boots that came, I don't like the fact that the box that they put it in, because they had this box here and another brown box. And the one thing I did not like was the fact that it had Thursday plastered all over it on the box that was holding this box itself. I didn't like that. You know, somebody that might want a pair of Thursday boots and take that chance and be a porch pirate, you know, they might say, oh, is that Thursday boots? And just run and snatch it. It's kind of like if somebody ordered like a Louis Vuitton wallet, which I've done before online. Louis Vuitton doesn't send their wallets in a big brown box that says Louis Vuitton on it, just to open it up and see a smaller Louis Vuitton box. So that was the one complaint I had from the rip. But besides that, I got them in a size 12. I got the Tobacco Storm King Captain boot. And this is an unboxing. Goodyear welt, honest prices, custom materials, comfortable, ThursdayBoots.com, durable. And that is what I'm looking for. An everyday, durable, leather shoe, boot that I can wear. And I can already tell you, just from the color alone, oh yeah, I'm gonna like this. See, on the website, on the website, the tobacco colorway was a little bit lighter, but I actually like how the oils are actually blended into the boot. I like that. I got the lug bottoms. This is Thursday Boot Company on the bottom here. Let's take a look at this bad boy. I like that. I actually like that a lot. It's funny how it almost comes off looking kind of dressy, but once I start wearing these, I've seen other people with pairs to where they've been worn in and it has that rough look and it's molded to their foot. It's not so stiff, the stiff leather. But I really like it. It's a little rough right here. Got the speed hooks right here at the top. But in general, this is what I wanted. So I'm gonna try these on and see how they feel. So right before trying these on, I noticed that the inside of this is actually like a black leather liner. Look how that looks. Like that. I'll try this one on. And this is where I'm a little afraid when it comes to most shoes that you order online instead of trying them out. So on their website, they suggest that you size a half size down. I don't recommend that. I wear a size 12 and my foot is kind of wide. I probably should have went with a 12 wide. As far as my toe space, it feels great. But as far as like the width, I could tell it's going to, you know, take a minute to break these in. But besides that, the overall look, I like these. I like these a lot. Let's see what we got around here. Nice little shot. I really do. It's going to take a couple days, a couple weeks to finally break these in, but when I do, I can only imagine how comfortable they will be. But no, when it comes to these, don't size down. I would just get your regular size.